Very happy.
Coach, talking about the quality, a man who found a brace here today, you've said previously, only a fool will not change his mind about a player. Talk us through Themba Zwane and his performance here today.
Themba was not good, he was very good today, and I'm very happy. So I said always, only fools don't change their mind, and I knew he was a good player, but as I said, we started something in September with young players. And I prefer, first of all, to give the chance to young players, but till now we didn't find it. And why not changing then? And you see, he proved that maybe he's the missing link in our team. At the other side, we have to be a little bit careful and not to be too happy, because this is not France, this is not Ghana, this is not Morocco. But again, the performance of Themba was very good.